Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to show you that Zap Surveys does pay. So Apps That Pay LLC has sent you $25.23 USD. Note from Apps That Pay LLC. Zap Surveys Cash Out. Thank you for using Zap Surveys. Enjoy your hard-earned free money. If you have the time, we would love if you could write us a genuine review about your experience with the Zap Surveys app store or Google Play Store. Thanks and congrats on cashing out. So, as you can see, I did receive $25.23 to PayPal, so obviously Zap Surveys is a legitimate app. And if you want to try it yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I'm also gonna leave a video on the iCard as well as at the end of this video that is in response to the Help Me Stop COVID-19 video.